Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to public video in YouTube. First, navigate to YouTube Studio and locate the Create button, usually found in the top right corner. Click it, then choose Upload Video. You'll then be prompted to select the video file from your device. Once your video starts uploading, you can immediately begin adding essential details like your video's title and a clear description. This initial step is crucial for getting your content ready for the world to see. After uploading, focus on the essential details. A captivating thumbnail is vital. It's the first thing viewers see. Next, organize your video into existing playlists or create new ones to group similar content. This helps viewers binge watch your videos. Don't forget to add relevant tags. Think about what people might search for to find your video. These steps significantly boost your video's visibility and appeal. Now, let's talk about visibility. To make your video public, select the Public option. This ensures anyone can find and watch it. You'll also need to specify if your video is made for kids, which impacts certain features and compliance. For enhanced engagement, consider adding an end screen to direct viewers to other videos or playlists. You can also use cards to pop up during your video, linking to related content or external sites. Before hitting that final button, take a moment for a thorough review. Double-check your title, description, and tags for accuracy and typos. Ensure you've addressed any potential copyright concerns or content restrictions. Once you're confident everything is perfect and compliant, simply click the Publish button. Congratulations! Your video is now live and ready to be shared with your audience on YouTube. Enjoy sharing your creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.